So I put this for sale on eBay in sets or lots of 4 each, and let me show you what we have. So there are some customs, and this die car, this set is like this, these 4 pieces. So I'm going to put it lot A, lot B, and so on. And there are some good parts, I mean some good cards. See there, nice. So I'm going to put it as a lot A, B, C, and D, and so on. So you'll find out when you see it on eBay. So I'm just trying to make it easier for everybody, so you know what to get. There's some mixed with the Trackmaster too, just a few. So that's the lot I'm going to put for sale for now. So link in the description.